A difficult couple. We are a couple because I am speaking here and you are watching over there. In this video, we will discuss about a difficult couple in Bahasa Indonesia. Let's learn together and focus in this video. Yuk! Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Halo, selamat pagi, selamat siang, selamat sore, dan selamat malam. Bertemu lagi dengan saya. Nama saya Ali Mahmudi, saya dari Jepara, Jawa Tengah, Indonesia. Look at, I am speaking Bahasa Indonesia for you because in this channel, this video, we will study or we will learn about Bahasa Indonesia. We continue to the next discussion. A difficult couple. In English, we will find a and an to say sebuah in Bahasa Indonesia. In English lesson, we will explain that a and an, they are different to say and to make sentence in English grammar. For example, we will use an in vowel or a, I, U, E, O, and then we will use a in consonant. This is the examples. A girl. We use a because girl in front of the word we find G. Is that right? And then the second example, umbrella. No, an umbrella. Why? Because in front of the word we find U. So we underline that in front of consonant we use a, in front of vowel we use an to say something. Okay, what about Bahasa Indonesia? In Bahasa Indonesia, that's so different with English grammar. Why? So that's why we will study about a difficult couple in Bahasa Indonesia. Let's learn together. Okay, I will say in Bahasa Indonesia and then I will translate also in English. So you should pay attention. Number one, seorang gadis, a girl. Seekor kucing, a cat. Sebuah mangga, a mango. Sehelai rambut, a hair. Selembar kertas, a piece of paper. Sebutir telur, an egg. Seutas tali, a string. Segelas kopi, a cup of coffee. And then sepotong roti, a loaf of bread. Okay, if you pay attention in the sentence, all of the sentence, not only a and an in English, but Bahasa Indonesia has a couple, and you must be correct in the couple. Never make opposite among them. between them. It's not correct in Bahasa Indonesia. We will discuss one by one. A girl in Bahasa Indonesia is seorang gadis. You cannot say seekor gadis. You cannot say sehelai rambut. And you cannot say with the others expression, because one expression, for example, a girl, has special translation in Bahasa Indonesia. A girl is seorang gadis. Okay. And then the second, a cat, seekor kucing. You cannot say seorang kucing, sebuah kucing. Is not correct. And then the third, a mango, sebuah mangga. Sebuah mangga. You know, in Bahasa Indonesia, fruit is buah. So, you should or you must say sebuah mangga. And then a hair, sehelai rambut. Sehelai rambut. A piece of paper, selembar kertas. Selembar. So, if we find a book and then we open the book, selembar, dua lembar, tiga lembar, not seekor, dua ekor, tiga ekor. You know what I mean? Okay, thank you. Continue. An egg, sebutir telur. Sebutir telur. Sebutir. And then a string, seutas tali. Seutas tali. Seutas tali. A cup of coffee, segelas kopi. Segelas kopi. And then a loaf of bread, sepotong roti. Sepotong roti. So, the conclusion is, in Bahasa Indonesia, we make special couple. So, a difficult couple in this video explain about special couple in Bahasa Indonesia. Seorang gadis, seekor kucing, sebuah mangga, sehelai rambut, selembar kertas, sebutir telur, seutas tali, segelas kopi, sepotong roti. Remember, you cannot opposite them, mix them, but you must memorize that they have a couple. They have couple. Thank you so much for your nice attention. See you in the next video. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. And then bye bye.